So hello, welcome to my first tutoring channel, and I guess this is an official tutoring video. And today we're going to be talking about vertex form, which is, as the name implies, finding the vertex. So x minus k squared plus h. To find the vertex is the opposite of k, and h stays the same. So if it's negative, it'll be positive. Or if it's positive for k, it'll be negative here. Or h stays the same no matter if it's negative or positive. So let me create an example. Oh, let me change pens real quick. I'm sorry. Let me create an example. So what is the vertex, you might ask? So what is the vertex? The vertex is, according to the KH rule, will be the opposite of this. So opposite of -1 is 1, and h stays the same, so it'll be 4. And that's our vertex. So 1/4. Hey, it's plotted already. Woohoo! We can just relax. And then now, how do we find the zeros? Well, there's many ways to find the zeros, but here's what I like doing. I like solving for x. And let me move down here a little. Let me move down here. And now we're going to create a whole lot of work. So negative x minus 1 squared plus 4 equals 0. Now we can just, what do? We can just subtract 4 on both sides, and then it moves from negative x minus 1 squared equals negative 4. And then you can also imagine that it's negative, but we can also imagine it's a 1 here, so we can divide by negative 1 on both sides. And divide by negative 1, and divide by negative 1 is positive. A positive. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so x minus 1 squared equals 4. And then what can we do to solve this, to make it all that? But how can we remove this squared? We can just cube root. And we can cube root both sides. Then how do we do that? So our answer would lead us to x minus 1 equals positive or negative 2. If we scroll down, we can split this into 2 ways, which will be x minus 1 equals 2 and x minus 1 equals negative 2. So now what can we do for both sides? We can, well, I don't have to explain it, but we can just add this, the negative. I'll explain it. We can add 1 on both sides. We just add 1 on both sides. And then it should lead us to our answer, which is x equals 3 and x equals negative 1. And since we said zeros, since we said it was, we tried solving it for zeros, which we solved for x, it would be 0, 3, and then, wait, it wouldn't be that. It would be 3, 0, and then, because we found the x's, the x-intercepts, not the y-intercepts. And then this will be, how do you say it? It'll be negative 1 over 0. These are our two answers. Now let's scroll up here, 3, 0, and negative 1, 0. So 3, 0, negative 3. Wait, let me try. Oh, it's 3. 3 and negative 1. And now let me make our pen size bigger because I don't like this pen. And our time might be running up, so you'll hear a ding. Now it will be from here. Maybe that's our x-intercept. We're guessing. And like that. And it would be a maximum. And plus the negatives, since you know the negatives. If it's negative, it will always be a max. But if it's positive, it will be a minimum. And that's our answers. I hope this helped. And I'll stop this and make a domain range